Hello! Hey guys, it's Luke from Locked In Off-Road, and today we're doing an unboxing on the Runva Ewx 9500 Evo Q competition winch, 80:1 ratio. So let's get into it. So this winch is meant to be a obviously 80:1 ratio, which is quicker than a standard high mount. I'm going to be running this one on 24 volt, so it should be very quick. And obviously it's going on the mighty game-changing Zook. Bracket for the controller, which I probably won't run. Isolator switch. Mounting bolts. Winch cable, I'm assuming. Oh yep, neutral. Bolts. Instruction manual. Cabling and the control box. Hand controller. Not sure what that is, but we'll find out.
Control box now.
Hook. And another mount of some sort. Stubby cooler, which I'll be running, which is pretty cool. Probably a little link from something, maybe to the isolator. Let's say, I don't know what that's in there.
Fairlead?
Nah. Oh, Fairlead, yeah. And obviously the winch. Oh, very heavy.
Big.
This is a monster winch. Here we have it. Righto guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Make sure you keep an eye out for the upcoming install video and any other future Zook mods we do. Like, subscribe, comment. Cheers.
Click the link here or in the description. Check out some of those videos. And remember, stay locked in.